Hey YouTube, I just got done making this humongous pocket knife. It's got an 8-inch blade, 17.5-inch overall. He's just a monster. Got a lock back on it. Steel pins welded in. Bowie style blade. There's what it looks like next to a bottle of water. And see if it'll cut. It is pretty sharp. There's a couple dull spots on the blade I gotta work on. About 1:30 in the morning, so I think I'm gonna call it quits for tonight. I started this at about 7 o'clock. So about 6 hours. Still gotta do some grinding, grind the pins down. Maybe make a belt clip. Anyway, that's my knife.